So this is a heating pad that my wife picked up not too long ago from Genini? I don't know how to pronounce that, but she picked this heating pad up. My wife actually uses a heating pad every day of the year. And this is not a weighted pad, but it is a really nice material on the front. She's been using these. She's actually got, what, 2 of them. She's been using them for about a week, 2 weeks now, and has had a fantastic experience with it. It does have a super long power cord and this nice little control that's wired into the heating pad so you can actually turn it on and off. It does auto shut off, and it does have an on-off button, and you just use the on-off button to change it to 3 levels of heat. So you have your low, medium, high, and then just turn it off. Works very simply, not a whole lot to it, very easy to use. And again, not weighted, it is not weighted, but it is a nice little heating pad. And we expect from the quality of it that she'll be able to get quite a few years of use out of this one as well. So thanks so much for checking this guy out with me. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and we look forward to talking to you again very soon.